Thank you for showing for sending me. But mommy, this is a I'm so excited.
Now I want complete silence, okay? We don't want to disturb the birds. So complete, absolute silence. Shh. Silent.
However, these mega diverse ecosystems are home to half of the world's terrestrial animals and plants. Deforestation is a serious issue. In the Amazon rainforest alone, 70% of the virgin forest
The bull sharks, not any sharks. Yes, this right here. Bull sharks. Bull sharks, yes. Do you know anything about bull sharks? No? Alright. Bull sharks actually are known to be the most
What's that? Oh, toucan! There's a toucan! Might not be visible. Oh wait, that's the one. David, is that a peacock? What? Is that a peacock? And no, that's a toucan. Oh my god, that's a
store salt in their kidneys, and they will use it for a while when they are larger animals.
That's a flamingo. That's a toucan. Toucan. Oh wait, they're real! They're real! They're moving! I thought they were statues. One of them are one of the turtles are an imposter. What? Aww. There's an imposter turtle. Lawrence, there's an imposter turtle. The freaking bird! Look, there's a turtle, a real life turtle. What? 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 No. Another real turtle there. Why is there so much light? Oh, there's turtles. There's a turtle over there, people. Oh my god, all three turtles are real. Oh my god, all three turtles are real. All three of them are real. Turtles to the pet shop. All three turtles are real. One turtle down there. Monkey!
excited to see the monkeys, but let's take off. Let's not talk about it.
Ew, they have balls. Monkeys have balls.
Let's take it off.